All right, disclaimer, today's Costco grocery haul happened on an empty stomach. It's important that we disclose that because there's a lot of things we bought that we wouldn't normally buy because we were hungry. All right, no judgment, no judgment.
All right. We walked in with full wallets and left $365 poorer.
And we're gonna count down from 5 all the way until 1 what our top finds were for this haul. We do it in every haul, but today's a little bit unique because we're also gonna taste test each item. It'll be our first time trying out these 5 new items, and we're gonna share them with you guys.
So we didn't get a ton of produce today, as we actually happen to have a lot already, so we just kind of restocked on some of our essentials like spinach, which we make salads and smoothies with. We got some mushrooms, some sweet potatoes, we got a bag of celery, mostly we use that for smoothies, and we got a big bag of garlic. It's kind of a sin to be out of garlic, in case you didn't know, and I have been living in sin for about the last week because I have not had garlic in my house.
No garlic in the house.
It's been really, really hard on me.
Haven't been protected from the vampires.
Yeah. That's literally it for our produce. It's not a lot, but that's okay.
Why don't we kick it off with our top 5? Number 5. This is number 5 of our top 5 finds from Costco. What do we have, Janelle?
Crackers.
Yeah. What kind of crackers?
They're very unique looking. They're avocado toast crackers.
At first, when I read it and saw it in the store, I was like, what? They're selling avocado toast in a box.
Yes,
but
it's
no,
a bit confusing the way
it's
they
not
market
toast.
it. But yeah, they don't even look like toast. So I don't know why they call it avocado toast. But they're salt and pepper flavor. They look very crunchy and delicious. And it actually goes perfectly with one other item that I'm not going to reveal yet.
It's coming up soon.
It's coming up soon.
Oh, you're such a tease, Janelle.
I know.
Okay, let's try out the avocado toast crackers from Costco. All right, if you run an ASMR channel and you want a really good crunch from a cracker, like you're doing a cracker episode, ASMR episode, these are the crackers for you.
Full transparency, they're nothing special.
Yeah, these crackers did not blow me away.
A cracker is merely a vessel for other forms of deliciousness.
I think that these are solid crackers that don't break. Like texturally, they're gonna be good. If you're somebody who likes to put something on your cracker, then these are the crackers for you. Okay, that was number 5. Like we said, we're gonna count down and we have a few other items to come. And these crackers might make another cameo later on.
So we're gonna get into snacks. We bought a lot of snacks today, guys, like we aforementioned. But that's okay. These ones we bought last time we were at Costco because they were so flippin' good. They're these Kashi layered fruit bars. They're like reminiscent of those fruit snacks you get in elementary school that your mom would put in your lunchbox. They're so good. They're fairly low calorie and they're just made with fruit. So they're healthy, they're delicious, they're great and snacky.
I think back in the day they used to call them fruit leathers. I don't know if that's still the
leather.
terminology, if they still like to be called that.
He's cracked into the Kashi fruit bars. We're having a quick snack break, apparently.
This is such a stressful video. There's so much food, I'm still hungry.
You have to open mine for me, or just feed me. Oh my god.
Top notch leather.
I got leather in my gums.
Next up,
We got some of these 3 Farmers fava bean crisps. They're just actually like crunchy fava beans that have been, I think, kind of just dehydrated and crunchified and tossed in some delicious flavors. We got dill pickle and sweet chili. We do like to use date syrup here and there to sweeten various things. Date syrup is still high in natural sugars, but it has so many nutrients and minerals in it that if you're trying to add more nutrition into your diet and maybe replace cane sugar, date syrup's a great place to start. Also, you could use maple syrup, which we also buyed.
Yeah.
Buyed? Did I just say buyed?
Yeah, that's okay.
We buyed them.
Okay, next up we have item number 4 in our countdown. Number 5 was the crackers. Number 4 is...
Plant-based Boursin spreadable cream cheese product.
Yes. Now, I don't know about you guys who are watching. You can leave us a comment down below, but what do you think about cheeses in general? Like the vegan cheeses is what I'm referring to. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Is there a favorite one you have? Let us know in a comment what your favorite vegan cheese is, and maybe one day we'll try to grab it and try it out. But today, we're going to let you know about this Boursin cheese. Let's grab one of those crackers that we just tried.
Yes. But this is a fine garlic and fine herbs flavor. And it's a cream cheese that I don't think I've ever tried it.
Fine herbs.
Fine herbs. Mmm, fine.
I think everyone should refer to their product as fine.
You fine. Oh, look at the sun is hitting it. Oh, that's so romantic. Ooh, I don't want. Oh, look at you can scrape with these crackers. They are resilient crackers, y'all.
Oh yeah, that's incredible.
Do you know what this reminds me of?
What?
This stuff tastes like ranch pizza dip. You know when you get dipping sauces for your pizza? This tastes like the ranch dipping sauce you get from like Domino's.
That's an incredible duo together.
I'm just cleaning up the cheese.
That looks very inappropriate.
It's on
I love
the
it.
table.
I love it. It's amazing. Buy those crackers, buy that cheese. They go so well together. Wouldn't buy the crackers on their own, but the crackers go so well and have the right amount of salt. They're not too salty. They're salty just enough to kind of bring out all the flavors of the cheese.
That is a dynamic duo.
Totally. I didn't expect that. I'm blown away.
not.
I'm so happy about this purchase.
This is amazing. So good.
Let's go rapid fire mode through a few things. Tell us, Janelle, what's next on our grocery haul here?
We got ourselves a few pantry staples that we always get from Costco. I really flailed my arm into that one. We got some hemp hearts because they're a great source of plant-based protein and healthy fats that are good for your brain. And we got some hummus. We got some extra firm tofu organic in a 5-pack. Plus we got our favorite ramen noodles that are high protein, have 8 grams of protein per brick. We also got some spring rolls. Now these, again, kind of fall into the snacky/naughty category, but they were there. We are going to be entertaining some friends on the weekend, so we figured why not get some spring rolls we can just throw in the air fryer.
Totally. So if you're coming to our party this weekend, you know what's on the menu. Okay, let's get into our third item on our Costco Top Finds list today.
Woohoo!
Number 3 are these.
Seed bite clustered things.
Yes.
Yes, I said that properly.
Yes, you did.
All right, grand reveal. Ah, ooh, they're like little nutty, almost granola-like looking clusters. Sniff test?
Oh, caramelly.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's right. They are a caramel flavor, as they say on the box. I feel like we could share a cluster.
Oh, I'll take the whole
No,
thing.
he wants his own. We don't share apparently in this house. Oh, I got a little one. I got gypped. They're 5 grams of protein per serving, 2 grams of sugar, and 7 grams of fiber. So they're not bad by any means. They're definitely calorie dense because it's pretty much just all nuts and seeds. But damn, they make for a really satisfying, crunchy, sweet, salty snack.
We still got 2 more to go, but before we get to those, next up we have
Soy milk. We don't often buy soy milk from Costco actually, but we didn't get a chance to go to our regular supermarket, so we got the Kirkland variety. Speaking of milk, we also got a couple cases of their canned organic coconut milk from Chaz Organics. They're the best.
All right, we're on to number 2 in our top 5 list, which is this product from 1 Degree.
Yes, it's a granola. We love granola and we love 1 Degree Organics. We buy their oats all the time, lots of their oats, gluten-free. And these are gluten-free sprouted granolas. Opening. Don't want to elbow you in the face. We do our own stunts.
For me, this is, and my voice just cracked because I got so excited about this. This is the best granola I have ever tried. Now, I usually have it with milk, but it is pretty awesome. Only second fiddle, I know you're shocked, it's only second fiddle to Janelle's granola that she makes, which is actually way better. But store-bought,
That's
this is
a
some of my favorite.
remarkable response from you.
Okay, yeah.
I was not expecting him to say this is the best, because I was going to say this is actually kind of plain Jane, in my opinion.
Plain Janey.
It's a bit plain Janey, like, okay, I like super flavorful things.
Well,
like
I'm a
really
plain I'm a
flavorful
plain
items.
Janie kind of boy.
I was gonna say they just don't have a lot of flavor. I like things that are really vanilla-y or spiced or orangey or chocolatey. This is just, it's fine. It's great crunch. Again, it's a perfect vessel for other deliciousness to be accompanied with it. Moving on, we bought something from one of our favorite brands as of late at Costco, Sprague Cannery. They do all sorts of soups, and so we decided to try their organic minestrone soup, which, yes, is gluten-free and plant-based. We usually buy their 3-bean chilies and their lentil soup, but they were out of their chili, which was a little bit sad, so we're like, okay, minestrone, it's your time to shine. We're gonna give you a try this week.
Their chili is the best canned chili on the market, without a doubt.
Okay, now this next item, technically, is not a food item, but
no,
it
but
is
boy, does it get you excited.
It does. I can't lie.
It gets me excited. I feel like I'm such an adult now because I get excited about meal prep containers.
Meal prep containers. Now, I do love me a good solid glass container, and it's healthier to store your food in glass containers because plastics tend to have chemicals that can leach into your food, which nobody likes.
Preach it, girl.
Yeah, and glass is just better. It's more durable, and you can
More
microwave. More better. You can microwave them. You can bake stuff in these glass containers. You can freeze them.
Moment of truth here, people. The number one item. Now, I don't know why we
bouncing.
ranked it as number one because we've never tried it, and so this
But
is.
I have hope. I think it's going to be worthy if it's number one.
This is the show where the ratings mean nothing. Just because it's number one does not mean it's number one in our hearts yet. But let's try it out. It would be these Doritos Tropical
Fusion. Sorry, let's try that again.
That's okay, that works. These Tropical Fusion tortilla chips.
Yes.
And
spicy.
Yeah, you might be wondering, are they really plant-based? I've always wondered, because there are Doritos that are not plant-based that you guys should know about. The cheese ones, like nacho cheese, not plant-based. But these ones we looked up. We stood there for 10 minutes in the store.
Yep.
We studied the ingredients. We studied the macros.
We Googled them.
We Googled them in Costco. We were there in a corner with a bunch of bags of them because there were only a few left, and we were like, "Can we eat these?" And it was a 10-minute discussion that went back and forth as we were on our phones. And yes, we can.
Yes.
So today we will eat them.
I don't know what they smell like.
Mmm.
I have no idea what I'm eating right now. Almost tastes like a hamburger. Or
like hamburger chips, or I'm thinking like a luau. I'm trying to put my head around the whole tropical thing, and like, are they Hawaiian maybe? Like a Hawaiian luau flavor?
yes, tastes like a Hawaiian luau.
Whatever that might taste like.
I don't not like them. I'm just like, my brain's trying to...
Puzzled. We're puzzled.
Yeah, I'm a little bit puzzled.
Maybe some hamburger essence there. There you go, guys. That is our Costco grocery haul. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button down below. It really helps us kind of push this video out to more people with the algorithm.
And subscribe!
And subscribe, like she said. Thanks for watching.
Peace! Look at the camera, not at me. Yeah.
There you go.
I was like, bye, and you're like...